Hello everyone, my name is Mark Veloso, a contributor with Litigation Help, and welcome to our video series entitled Case Law Minutes, where we will highlight the most frequently cited family law cases listed on the Ontario Superior Court website. Our video today is on Rawluk v. Rawluk, decided in 1990 by the Supreme Court of Canada. This is a family law case that concerns the issue of unjust enrichment and constructive trusts. Please remember that this presentation is for general legal information only. For advice specific to your case, please consult a lawyer. In Rawluk v. Rawluk, the parties were married in 1955 and had lived and worked together for 29 years. They operated a farm and a farm equipment sales and service business. The wife had assumed a large role in the operation of the farm and business. On the date of their separation, the couple had a number of properties which were mostly registered in the name of the husband. At trial, the spouses disagreed about what property each owned. Under the Family Law Act, equalization of matrimonial property is calculated according to the value of the property on the date of separation, also known as the valuation date. In the time between separation and trial, the value of the properties belonging to the spouses had risen dramatically. In order to be able to share in the increase in value of the disputed properties, the wife claimed by way of a remedial constructive trust for a beneficial one-half interest. In family law, a constructive trust is a type of implied trust, meaning it is created by conduct rather than by explicit intent. It is used as an equitable remedy imposed by a court where a party has been wrongfully deprived of its rights and property, resulting in unjust enrichment. Constructive trust principles are applicable in cases where a non-owner spouse has made contributions to a family business or to property owned on title by the other spouse. It is particularly applicable where a spouse has provided services without compensation or at under value to a property or business. The primary issue before the court in this case was whether or not the doctrine of constructive trust is applicable where the Family Law Act already provides a remedy for unjust enrichment and a process for determining ownership of property. The court ruled that the doctrine of constructive trust still has an important role to play in the determination of matrimonial property disputes in Ontario, and was an integral part of the process of ownership determination and equalization established by the Family Law Act. The court argued that the application of the remedy in the context of the Family Law Act enables courts to bring a measure of individualized justice and fairness to the more generalized process of equalization provided by the Act. To learn more about the court's reasoning in this decision, you may access the full case on the Canley website link provided above. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this installment in our series Case Law Minutes.